help out a baby photo shoot with baby Oliver.
How about with?
Yep, with. And we're also planning to get a haircut tomorrow. So tomorrow's going to be a very eventful day. And we have some rock thingies. Basically, we're just making a messy version of a rock. Because anything matters at this point because she has too much planned. But we have our supplies to make little rockies. Sydney will show you how to make one.
I'm gonna take you guys home. Jennifer.
She said she would have liked us to help yesterday, like would have preferred it if we helped yesterday. The plan is we just go home and you...
Yeah, you just go home. You know how that goes, so...
And you know how that went in 1 minute.
Yeah.
My point was proven quickly.
She's still grousing about it.
Wait, really?
Yeah, a little bit. But
That flip...
I think I shut her up about it. Wants to stay. I do, but a lot of fun will be babysitting 3 people. They were going to put out. All they had to do was turn it.
You said flip.
You said flip.
And that's what they were doing, was flipping it.
She was like cussing us out.
Noise. Making cocky comments.
Kind of, sort of. I mean, just, but not to be mean or anything. Just
Point out.
she wants to help, but she don't want to have to
Give the help.
direct everybody,
But that's
little thing, which
kind of has
I mean,
help.
you're gonna have to, because I don't know what your
Plans are.
vision is, and that's just how you are.
But she just went off on us way too quickly.
Yeah, the hair trigger thing is just, I'm not doing that. I'm not giving up a Saturday to be snapped at
Yeah.
for
God knows.
nothing.
Got my haircut and went home. No, I came over to help you and cussed me out. You made it very clear you don't want my help.
Well, that annoyed me back there with the
Don't what? Don't get mad?
Don't call out and say you're acting irrational.
Wait, like just now when the situation...
Yeah, when I said,
Honey, stop.
Yeah.
Why are you cussing out our kids? Don't leave. You cuss them out.
Don't what? Don't say what's happening.
That's literally right in front of us.
Fucking take a chill pill. Take a second.
Please? Why are you cussing out my children? Like, for no reason. They didn't do anything wrong.
Absolutely no reason for any of that.
So the plan is just to head back down there to babysit Oliver and stuff at 2 p.m. Or around.
About around 2, yeah.
The space of social media, right?
Multiple stuff out. So she can take it on Tuesday when she's having another photo shoot with Oliver. We're back, so we're babysitting Oliver for a while they get lunch. She still seemed highly pissed off.
Gotta do his tummy time, bro. Strengthen his neck up.
It's more of him dragging himself.
Come on. Yeah.
Really, guys? Okay.
Oh, that was beautiful.
Go ahead, baby.
I have to
Beautiful.
get him.
I sent a picture to the seeds.
I'm sorry.
See.
Eat my face. Yeah, I do. I'm a sucker.
You both did good. Smoothie good.
This is not that big. It is sad.
So hold back here. Yep. I'm gonna tighten it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna flip it down. All right, flip it down. Yep. All the way. You're not gonna hurt it. So I'm gonna show you power. So power button. You see finger? Too easy. Power button's there. So hold until it comes on. And then you're gonna click that. That's your night vision. Okay. This is your focus. That focuses it in and out. Tourniquets are inside the bag. Okay. Do we have any questions?
No, sir.
You sure? We're about to find out. Who wants the bag?
Oh, I can have that.
You can have the bag. All right, let's go. Let's go. What? Girl, you said yes. Man, come on. 3, 2, 1, go. Go, 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 go.
Oh my God.
Go. Hold out with the sing. Go, slow and smooth. Smooth as fast. Hold it out.
Yes.
Good. Good. Hey, if I were you, I would take her by the hand. Pull her. Yeah, good. Good. Look.
I cannot see it.
Anybody else here?
I cannot.
Let's go. We're bleeding out. How we doing, teammate?
Probably not good.
No, don't worry about that. Winslet. Tightening more. Good job. Not bad.
Quick flick.
I don't know about this. I'm scared.
I'm scared too. I don't think I've ever eaten.
So, some more bad news right before spring break is my friend went to the hospital for coughing up blood. This all started on Monday, April 7th, and she was originally at school, and I was home because I had stomach pain and some headaches and whatever. I wasn't feeling well, so I took a day off. In the middle of the afternoon, I see on her story that she's at Chatham Hospital, I think. She was in the ER. She said that she had coughed up blood, and the doctors didn't know what, but they discharged her, and she went home, and the doctors said, if you cough up more blood, immediately go back to the hospital. And she stayed home April 8th, and then immediately April 9th in the morning, she had coughed up more blood. She had went back to the hospital and she coughed up more blood, and now I think she's currently admitted in the hospital. I am checking up on her daily, or hourly, but she's not doing well. She feels like shit. She's coughing up blood. They don't know why she's doing that. This week is just filled with stressful labs, baby photo shoots, grandma's house, babysitting baby Oliver, and there's so much stuff. But the worst things that probably happened this week was definitely getting cussed out at the baby photo shoot, and my friend is currently in the hospital, so we're praying that she gets better and nothing takes a turn for the worse.